Alright guys, as you can hear kind of in the background, this is a 2005 Crown Vic. Just got it. I've never heard this noise before. So if you can tell me what it is, it's making this little whine. I'm sure it's probably gears or something like that, but it's in the rear end, and when it's under load you can hear it. And when I let off the accelerator, it goes away. Get back on. There it comes. Off. There it goes. If you have any insight as to what it might be, pretty sure it's gears, but I just want to make sure. So just let me know, guys. Thanks.